Yo, good morning, guys. On today's video, we'll be looking at the Euro USD. I'll do a quick live analysis on that, and also we're starting from the DSY. As usual, we need to look at the forest factory to see if we have an incoming news. So that okay, today's Monday, and then it's the first day of the trading week, so there's no news today. So let's look at the DSY before moving to. Now we have this volume imbalance right there, which price has traded into on the SY, and also taking out the sell side liquidity before expanding higher. So this on the monthly time frame. We navigate down to the weekly time frame, and then I don't know what kind of opening gap is this, but this look really strange, right? But it doesn't change the fact that price is bullish on the weekly time frame, because we can see this break of structure, this break of structure right here, and then price retracing into this fair value gap and volume imbalance, and then we tend to retrace higher to take out this high right here, and also all this buy side liquidity residing above. I drop down to the daily time frame. Now, my weekly previous week analysis was seeing price filling this guy. Then I am just waking up to this volume imbalance right here. Sorry, new week opening gap, and then you can see that expansion filling in that gap. But I don't consider that to be something valid, because if you go to I've checked the Euro USD chart, and then it's somehow different. So I'm going to ignore this. Probably it's because of the broker I'm using to view the chart, because I'm gonna check it somewhere else. Let's see capital.com. See, it's kind of different right here, but we're still going back to that. Okay, so the 4 hour time frame exactly what I was expecting for price to trade into this fair value gap. You can see price has traded into that fair value gap, right into the consequent encroachment, which is the middle of that imbalance, and then we're somehow expanding higher. So this is my first target, and this will be my second target. Almost this relative equal highs right there, and then you can see that we have this guy right here. So price definitely coming to fill in that void on the 15-minute time frame. Now, here is what I was expecting to see in today's price action. I was expecting that price is going to take out Asian low, then give me like a market structure shift, and then I could target the highs of this buy side liquidity. Yeah, probably I'll focus just on the first one, and then the second one like that by trailing my stop loss. But that would be like a swing trade, which I am not even ready to do that. So that is all for the dollar in there. So the opposite is what we do on the currency pairs, but it's just 6:59 in the morning. So I'll probably be waiting for a London section in about 1 minute. The London section will be open. I'll be pre-market analysis, right? So I'll still stick around and wait for 8 a.m. London section, and then let's see what is going to happen, because that is when we get most of the volatility and then the manipulation in the market. So I should still going to fold my hands and then maybe watch and see what the price is going to do. And then also right here, we're going to do the same for the Euro USD to see if we get same bias. When the dollar index is bullish, you're expected to have a bearish bias on the Euro USD. So right here you can see we have the volume imbalance right on Euro USD, and then the sweep of that buy side liquidity. It's just basically the opposite of whatever is happening on the dollar index, right? So we go to the weekly time frame. You can see how price is strongly rejecting. Now on the DSY, on the Euro USD, what I'm targeting is just this fair value gap right here. Even if I can see that price is about to give us a massive bullish and bearish retracement, and then we have this liquidity that was yet to be raided, right? Price traded just closely into that guy to take out this sell side liquidity, and then boom, we reversed into this volume imbalance, and then you can see that we are prices rejecting that area. So I'm going to short price. I'll keep selling until I see a major change of structure or an order block on the weekly time frame, right? So for the meantime, I'll be shorting price into this short-term, should I say short-term imbalance right here. That will be my target. Meanwhile, my long-term target is right here. Okay, so I'll go to the daily time frame. This is on the daily time frame, and then you can see that price just retraced back into this order block right here, that other block, but still waiting since DSY said to take out Asian low. I'll still keep my fingers crossed and then see what is going to happen. And then if you look by the left, you can see that we have this um inverse fair value gap right here. Initially, that fair value gap was supposed to hold price and take it to the upside, but instead we had a failure swing, and then price already has tapped into that. So let's see if it's going to hit more into that area. Then I'll be happy to short it, right? So I'll keep my fingers crossed, and then see we have this other block right here as well. And then I'll keep watching and see what happens next, right? So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Today is Monday, so the market is always like that. It's somehow slow for me. So I just have to be careful and then watch carefully and see what the market has to offer. Well, we are printing bearish already, but that is it's not too bad. So we just wait and watch. So let's see what is going to happen. Right. Let's just wait and watch. But it's really dropping high. And then you could see price didn't take out the high, which I really expected price to take out that high. But if it keeps going bearish like that until 8 a.m., then it means that price is never going to take out. We could do something like this and then take it to the downside. There's no need to be in a hurry to place a trade. Okay, no need to be in a hurry. It's a long week, so let's keep our hands crossed and then see how it goes, guys. See you guys on my next video.